Hello everyone. Today we will let you know how to fill Switzerland visa. First of all, type VFS Switzerland on Google and visit the website Switzerland VFS www.sglobal.ch/Switzerland/India/. Now open it. Now you can see in left side of your screen there is option visa type. Open it, then select your purpose to visit. Now scroll down. In right side of your screen, click on the download forms and go to new visa applicant form. Click on it. Here is your Switzerland visa application. So let's start to fill the form. First of all, enter your family name or surname as per your passport. Then surname at birth if you have any. Otherwise leave it. After that, write your first name as per your passport. And then enter your date of birth, place of birth, and country of birth, where you born, and then fill your current nationality and your original nationality. After that, enter your gender, male or female, and then fill your marital status. In case of a minor, you should fill the details of his or her parents or guardian. Otherwise write NA. After that, fill national identify number if you have any. Otherwise leave it. Now select your type of travel documents and write your travel document number, like passport number. Now fill the date of issue of your passport and the expiry date of the passport. Now fill passport issued by RPO. Then enter your home address and telephone number. Now if you're a resident in country other than your country, if you have, then click on yes, otherwise click on no. Then write your current occupation. If you are employer or employee, enter the name and address of your company and telephone number. And if you are a student, then write your name and telephone number of education establishment. Now select your purpose to visit in Switzerland. Then on member state of destination, fill Switzerland. After that, member state of first country. Here again fill Switzerland. And now select the number of entries you want. Enter your intended date of Switzerland. Then if you have Schengen visa or you visit Schengen country in last 3 years, then say yes, otherwise write no. On fingerprints collected previously, if you applied Switzerland visa, if yes, then write yes, otherwise write no. Then select your arrival date of Switzerland and intended date of Switzerland. Means from when to when you stay in Switzerland. After that, fill the name of your inviting person in Switzerland and in member state if somebody has invited you. After that, fill the surname of your inviting person in Switzerland. Then write their details. Otherwise write your hotel name, telephone number, and email address. Select according to you. After that, fill the name of your inviting company and telephone number in Switzerland, if any. Then who is paying your travel cost in Switzerland? Write according to you. Now select means of support. Then come to place from where you apply your visa and date of filling your visa. Now your visa application form is ready to submit.
Thank you for watching this video. We have hundreds of videos for different countries on visa application on our channel. Do you know many people make big mistakes in filing their visa application forms, which leads to visa rejection? Don't worry, we're here to assist you. If any country visa application form you feel is not there, then don't worry, comment in the comment box. We'll create it. We have many other videos related to travel which will help the traveler. Don't wait, my friends. Hurry, subscribe our channel now and click the bell icon if you want the instant updates. And also share this video on your WhatsApp groups with your friends.